tuk-tuk, experiencing to ride a tuk-tuk in Sarawak, Bangkok, Thailand. The lover boy. Yes.
God first.
God first.
The Korean boy.
The lover boy, the Korean boy.
Yes, the peaceful boy.
Mr. Truman of the Philippines.
Yes.
Yung Tagalog, totoong tao.
Oh, dito pa lang palengke.
Palengke.
Yan pa lang palengke nila. Nice to experience riding in a tuk-tuk in the Philippines.
Sa Thailand.
That's like in the Philippines. This is Thailand. Sarawak, Bangkok, Thailand. We're going to Platinum Mall. Platinum Mall, dyan eh. Yan.
Sipin mo, no? Gali sa Patong. Oh, pinayad nyo, 400 each.
Oh,
400 na, no?
ito mas malayo
Ay, lahat
pa.
ng ano,